Hi, I'm Matt Bartholomew, and we're at 1909 10th Street Southwest in Austin. This home has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and there's a whole lot more to see. Let's go check it out. Want to watch your shows without being bothered? There's 2 living rooms on the main level and a family room in the basement. Bright white kitchen is big enough for all your guests, with an informal dining area here and 2 pocket doors that lead to a formal dining area. The upper level has 4 bedrooms, including this large master with a 3/4 bath, and then you have a full bath out in the hallway for everybody else. Not only is the house fit for entertaining, but the backyard is too. This patio is massive. Pergola to match, fenced in yard, mature trees, it's got it all. Thanks for checking out this home today. We'll see you next time.